The food eaten by man bears something like the same relation to his power of working as the coal thrown into the furnace bears to the engine which derives the rotary press, or draws the train, full stop. The power in our arms or in our brains is rightly said to be produced in our stomach, and it is from the same organ we derive the force necessary to rouse us to severe exertion in the earning of the wage or salary we receive for our services, full stop. Something of the value of our work rests upon the strength producing value of our food, full stop, at all costs, and by all means, we should take measures to ensure the food value of everything we eat, full stop, close.